may recall that when we finished the outdoor kitchen, it was atop this busted-looking old slab. It was our intention to go back and fix it, but a year later, we still hadn't gotten around to it. And then it got worse. Way worse. We had a plumbing issue that resulted in it being trenched again, along with the patio gym and the master bath. And rather than paying our contractor's subcontractor to do it, we decided to make the repairs ourselves. For whatever reason, the contractor didn't break the slab at the existing seam. Instead, he just went full ham on busting the thing up. So the first thing we need to do is establish a nice clean edge for the fresh concrete.
Nope.
Shakes the whole slab.
So we might have to do concrete next week.
Yeah, this week might be demo.
There we go. Look at that, babe.
Yeah.
I want to get the wheelbarrow.
Oh yeah, good idea.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, just gonna be in sections.
And that's what they didn't want, so. Okay.
All right, back to sawing.
Didn't know it was gonna be a freaking lumberjack.
Always something.
Almost right on that end.
But what do you think?
It's pretty darn close. I mean, I'd like it right there, but I need it down drop there. I'm right on, are you?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, I think we nailed it.
All right.
We'll cut this one, and then I'll drill in this way.
Okay.
Ta-da! How's it look, hon?
Looks pretty good.
I think it looks pretty good, too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's stake this.
Okay.
probably get the blower out here in a second and blow, get this stuff off.
I love you're out here working in your slippers.
Oh yeah. It's called relax.
Hey,
We're relaxing.
that doesn't look like relaxing to me.
This is the easy part. Look better?
Yeah.
Not great, but better than what it was.
Dougie, you ready to do this? For the bathroom, rather than trying to piece together the missing hex tile, we decided to painstakingly remove the rest and add some self-leveling concrete and then put down something entirely new. We're also redoing the shower while we're at it, so look for an upcoming video on our attempt at tile over tile and how the bathroom turns out.